All right, guys, this is Kyle and Andrew with Decker's Pondscapes, and today is another Tech Tip Tuesday. What we're going to do today is show you and teach you about our water treatment package that we offer every time we come out and do a clean out at your pond. So come and check this out.
All right, so here are all the products that we offer in our water treatment package. It comes with a 16-ounce bottle of pond starter bacteria, a 32-ounce bottle of beneficial bacteria. It comes with another 16-ounce bottle of liquid algaecide. Then it comes with a beneficial bacteria refill for your 32-ounce beneficial bacteria. And then once that is gone, you'll have a concentrated version of beneficial bacteria. Now, one of the very cool things about this pond package, this water treatment package, is that when you purchase this, when we are at your home for a clean out, we give you one of these handy dandy coupons. If we stop by your place and do a clean out, don't forget to ask about this water treatment package. Now what we're gonna do is show you how it works out. So on the back of each of these products, there are instructions on how to use and how to determine how much of it you're going to be using in your pond. So we're gonna start with the pond starter bacteria. Now this is an important bacteria to get your pond kick-started for the season. You're gonna use this every single day for at least 2 weeks or until it runs out. So after you finish your pond starter bacteria, it's time to move on to the beneficial bacteria. Now it's good to use this about every 2 or 3 days, and you're gonna wanna make sure you read the instructions on the back to determine how many pumps you're going to need for your pond. So one of the many important questions that clients ask us is, how much of this product do I get to use? Now on the back is a very cool instructions of use. It'll tell you how to calculate how large your pond is. We'll zoom in on that. It says, calculate pond size. Gives you an equation. It says length by width by average depth times 7.48. And that's how you determine how many gallons are in your pond, right? And then from there, once you figure out how many gallons you have, you're gonna figure out how much of this product you're going to put in. So for this specific product, this beneficial bacteria, it turns out 1 pump of this will treat 100 gallons. So the reason we use beneficial bacteria like this is to add the important bacteria that's needed to grow on your biofalls pads in order to create a very healthy ecosystem. It actually also helps keep the water clean and clear. So once you finish your 32-ounce bottle of beneficial bacteria, we give you a refill cartridge. Now it is very important to read the instructions on these, because instead of 1 pump treating 100 gallons, 1 pump will now treat 600 gallons with this beneficial bacteria. It is a little bit more concentrated than the others. So make sure you read the instructions right on the back. So once you've finished your refill cartridge for your beneficial bacteria, it's time to move on to the beneficial bacteria concentrate. Now it's pretty much the same thing, but it is concentrated, so it does make it a little bit stronger. So you're gonna wanna check the instructions on the back. Now what these instructions say is that 1 scoop or 1 tablespoon will treat 1,300 gallons in your pond. So you wanna make sure that you measure correctly every time you wanna dose your pond. So the last product in this water treatment package is a liquid algaecide, a 16-ounce bottle. So this product is great for reducing the amount of algae that you have in the pond. Now, if you see a lot of algae, you're gonna add a little bit of this in, and what it's gonna do is attack that algae. It's gonna pull some of the oxygen out of the water and kind of suffocate the algae. So that's why you wanna make sure that you read all of the instructions and you're extremely careful in minding your fish.
All right, guys, that's been another Tech Tip Tuesday. Kyle and I have got to get back in there and finish cleaning out this pond. And as always, we'd like to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, chat in the comments. Let us know things that you want to see on our next Tech Tip Tuesday. And as always, enjoy your families.